What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be showing how to clean the flame sensor on an airflow system. So if your furnace looks similar to this one here, I'll show you just how easy it is to either clean the flame sensor or replace it. So this white wire with the red strip, that is the flame sensor. This one is extremely easy. It's right here on the front. So it's just a little 1/4 inch screw that you pull out. I'll put a link to that bit in the description. You just slide the flame sensor out, rotating it sometimes because, as you can see, this one's a 90-degree. It doesn't look like it's been cleaned very often. So you pretty much just take a wire brush or a piece of sandpaper. I've also used like a dollar bill if you don't have something abrasive. That will do the trick if you don't have sandpaper or a wire brush. And you simply just clean off the sensor and then repeat the steps in reverse and you are good to go. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something. If so, leave it a like and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.